p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kingston, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, Logan Elm Village, Londonderry, Laurelville, Adelphi, Andersonville, Mooresville, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Pickaway County Airport and Hallsville.